Good Thursday morning, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I am the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's talk about the weather for your Thursday. Now, looking at the radar right now, we do have heavy rain going on over here near the Greenwood McCormick regions, also down here near the Charleston coast, raining over there on the beaches off the coast of Savannah as well, and just scattered precipitation going through pretty much this entire region right here. We go on and we talk about the entire United States, and we scroll our way up. You can see here that pretty much we have a lot of precipitation going on right now. We have precipitation going on down here in Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina. Flood watches are also in effect for most of us, except for like portions of the upstate. We also do have some rain up here towards Maryland, New Jersey, and some rain up here into the northeast, flooding going on in western Illinois, and then some rain over here, kind of like in this corridor right here between Montana, Wyoming, Utah, and Arizona. We also have Canada receiving some rain, some heavy rainfall warnings going on up here inside of Canada. And that's pretty much it in terms of just the entire United States. Everyone else is dry right now. So there's a lot of states right now that aren't even getting a drop of rain right now. Let's go on and let's talk about cloud cover. Cloud cover right now is really just showing heavy cloud cover throughout the entire state. I talked about this last night, that it was going to be a cloudy day today. And it's really just going to most likely stay like this for a while. Here's our cloud cover total percentage as we move through. Here's just exactly what I was talking about. See, there are like some clear spots, but mostly cloudy is what I've been trying to talk about. And here's like later tonight, as we try to push this forward. Um, yeah, all right. Well, you can see pretty much at 13 hours what's going on, and just as it's trying to kind of regroup after that. So let's continue to move on. Here is the current temperature: 75 in Columbia, 77 in Charleston, 79 in Savannah, 79 in Myrtle Beach, 71 in Rock Hill, 71 in Greenville, and then 73 inside of Anderson. Here's our high temperatures. High temperatures around 88 in Columbia, 87 in Charleston, 87 in Hilton Head Island, 86 in Myrtle Beach, 83 inside of Rock Hill, 83 Spartanburg, 84 Greenville, 85 Anderson, 87 in Aikens and Sumter. Here's our peak sustained winds for today. Peak sustained winds will be at around 6 miles an hour at Columbia, 10 at Charleston, 9 at Hilton Head Island, 10 Myrtle Beach, 9 in Georgetown, 5 in Spartanburg, 6 in Greenville and Anderson, and 5 in Rock Hill. So it's going to be a pretty calm day today. In terms of wind, in terms of gust, though, gusts can gust probably up to 20 miles an hour near the coastline or around those lakes. So, like 10 at Columbia, 13 at Orangeburg, 15 at Sumter, 10 at Florence, 16 Myrtle Beach, 14 at Georgetown, 13 Charleston, 12 Hilton Head Island, 9 pretty much in the entire upstate, 10 at Winsboro, Camden, Florence, 12 Aiken. So again, pretty calm condition today. Forecasted precipitation for the next 24 or so hours has a lot of precipitation falling, maybe 1 to 1.5 inches possible in Walterboro, 1.5 to 2 inches possible in Moncks Corner / the Ridgeville region, 1.5 to 2 inches possible in Dillon and Florence, half an inch to an inch possible in Myrtle Beach, 1 to 1.5 inches possible in Georgetown, half an inch to an inch in Hilton Head Island, maybe even a quarter of an inch to a half an inch in Greenville, Spartanburg, and Rock Hill, half an inch to an inch in Anderson, and then half an inch to an inch inside of Sumter, half an inch to an inch in Aiken. So, again, very heavy rain today. I think the more closer to the, like, I say, kind of like towards the yellow regions you are, the closer to the yellow regions, that's the amount of rain you're going to get, probably. Let's go on and let's talk about SPC outlook. we only have a small marginal risk of severe weather, and that's for like places like Bennettsville and Dillon, South Carolina. But other than that, that's all the areas that is really under a marginal risk, and it's because of gusty winds concern. We do have a 5% risk of damaging winds for today. Again, these gusts of up to 40 to 60 miles per hour are possible with some of those thunderstorms as they move through in that quadrant in South Carolina. And obviously, we do have a day one slight risk of excessive rainfall. You have to watch for flooding today, especially if you're in a flood prone area. No tropical cyclone activity is expected within the next 48 hours. And if we check for the next 7 days, the next 7 days seems to be fine as well. So that's pretty much that. Let's go in and let's talk about the models real quick. I know we had switched over to the NAM because the ARRR, well, it's started to do its thing now, but we're not going to do that right now. We're going to leave it here. So, in terms of rain, right now, as we continue to push this forward, you can start to see that pretty much rain, showers, and storms are already starting to develop. By the time we get to around like 10 o'clock, here's 10 o'clock in the morning, 11, 12 o'clock p.m., showers and storms are continuing through the region, and then they will really start to increase by the time we get to the afternoon region. More showers and downpours pushing through. Here's 5, 6, 7 o'clock. Definitely some more showers and storm activity as we push into the latter portion of the day, 7 to 8 o'clock p.m. Here's what 10 o'clock p.m. could look like. Showers and storms up there in the PD region. And then some near the coast, some isolated showers up there in the upstate around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. And then look at this. Once we get to around 9 o'clock in the morning, some showers left near the Conway Myrtle Beach region. And then kind of get a little bit of a break until around 1 p.m. until we get more showers and more storms going through the region. So, again, we're just at this pattern. We're going to see rain almost every single day. So, and today, no different. Slight risk of excessive rainfall, heavy rain, heavy flash flooding, scattered flash flooding is all possible. So at this point, you're going to have to make sure that you are prepared if you're inside of a flood-prone area. Here's the drought monitor, though. Drought monitor has not really changed that much since the last time we talked about this. The red is kind of expanding a little bit. Same thing with the orange. Most things are actually expanding a little bit. Other than that, I barely see a change at all inside of this entire map. You can look at your county here. If you're in the yellow, that means abnormally dry. If you're in the D1, that's a moderate drought. If you're in a D2, that's a severe drought. And if you're in the D3, you're in an extreme drought. And you still have D4. We still have not gotten to D4 yet, which is the exceptional drought. So we will continue to watch for this as we get into the next couple of weeks. We'll check again because this updates every Thursday, so we'll be back again here next Thursday. And that's all that I have, so let's look at the radar one more time, just to give you all a little idea of what's going on. And again, here's just what it looks like. Again, showers pushing through the eastern portion of South Carolina. Heavy downpours in the western portion / near the Charleston region, and that's pretty much it. So everyone have a fantastic rest of your Thursday. Make sure that if you guys have not hit the like button or the subscribe button yet, please make sure that you do. We are right now at, we are right now at 162 subscribers. So we got 2 more last night. So hopefully we can get to, let's say like 163, 164 by tonight. That would be a good goal to get to. So yes, everyone have a fantastic rest of your Thursday, and I'll be back tonight, 9 o'clock, with another forecast update. Make sure you guys are there for the live stream.
Hey, yeah.